Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 11 is online and you can authenticate. This is essential because Find My requires your Apple ID. Once ready, unlock the phone and open Settings, scroll down to tap your name at the top. You're immediately in the Apple ID pane, which controls iCloud and Find My settings. Make sure you have the password or a second device for two-factor prompts. You'll need it in the next step to turn the feature off. Once you're in the Apple ID pane, tap iCloud and then Find My iPhone to reach the specific toggle. You'll see Find My iPhone and Share My location. Tap the Find My iPhone switch to disable it. When you toggle it off, Apple will prompt for your Apple ID password to confirm, enter it. If two-factor authentication appears, approve the request on a trusted device or enter the verification code. This prevents unauthorized removal of activation lock and secures your device. After you enter credentials and any verification code, make sure the Find My iPhone switch remains off and the iCloud status reflects the change. That completes the process. If the password fails or two-factor codes aren't arriving, restart the iPhone and try again, or use account recovery on another device. If problems persist, sign into your Apple ID from a browser to check security settings and trusted devices. This usually reveals why verification failed and lets you resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.